YouTube has added a new feature to Shorts, making it easier to watch videos without any distractions. Want to try it out for yourself? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable clear screen mode on YouTube Shorts. Now let's get started. To enable clear screen mode for Shorts, first ensure you've updated your YouTube app to the newest available version. Then open YouTube and go to your Shorts feed. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Clear Screen. This will temporarily hide all the overlay menus and icons, so you can see the video more clearly and without distractions. You can tap the arrows in the bottom right corner to turn clear mode off. This option will automatically turn off once you scroll to the next video, but you can easily turn it back on whenever you want to use it. That's all it takes to enable clear screen mode on YouTube Shorts. Want more helpful YouTube tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.